Scoop stretchers can be split into two pieces to enable trained responders to safely transport the patient with a suspected spine injury using the least possible movement to prevent the exacerbation of the injury. After putting the stretchers in place, slightly tilt the patient's body and slide one piece underneath, then slide the other piece and lock both pieces together. Finally, attaching the stretcher straps ensures that the patient's body is firmly positioned so the patient is safe and secured while the stretcher is being lifted.